Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manogar here, and let's see in this part 4 and the final part of this tutorial series, why are we not making money with solo ads? So continuing on from our previous parts where we have discussed about email deliverability and large responsive email list. If you are one of those guys who is serious and really want to master email marketing, then there are two factors that needs to be addressed. First is email deliverability, and second is a large responsive email list. So which one comes first? Obviously, email deliverability comes first, and this is the topic that we are going to discuss in today's session. So for example, if you have a large responsive email list of size of 100,000 email list, then you try to press the send button in your ESPs and you're anticipating the sales to flood in. And that's where the real magic of email marketing lies, where it is the only and true push button system available online that generates money even while you sleep. Now, think of it. If your email deliverability is not properly set up, and whenever you send your emails out to your subscribers, and most of your emails, almost around 80 to 90% of your emails land in your spam folder of your subscribers, you can notice that there is a drop in the open rates, and you can see around 1% to 1%, 2%, and anything less than 3%, there is a very high chance that your email is landing in the spam folder of your subscribers. Now, how to address this situation in order to reduce the number of emails going into the spam folder and increasing your deliverability score? And now there is a solution to this issue, and that is called email warming up. So let us see what is email warm up. When you come to this website called reply.io, there is a definition for email warm up. And here you can see email warm up refers to the practice of sending a gradually increasing number of emails from a new email account with the aim of building a positive reputation with email providers and avoiding spam filters. So what they basically are saying is that whenever you have created a new email address, and before starting your email campaign, your regular email campaign of sending it to your subscribers, you need to warm up your email addresses. So one of the important things that renders most of the email marketers emails into the spam folder is one score called the sender reputation. Now, sender reputation is a combination of the IP reputation, the domain reputation, spam rates, and so on. So once if your sender reputation is very low, you're likely that your email is going to land in the spam folder. So what are we doing actually with email warm-up? It's nothing but the custom email address which we have created is going to be used to send emails to certain email addresses. For example, if you have created a Gmail addresses, maybe 7 or 10 Gmail addresses, then you can use the custom email address to send emails from the custom email addresses to the seeded Gmail accounts that you have created. So for example, if you have a custom email address called mano@affiliatemano.com, and if you're trying to send them to 1,000 subscribers, and after this February 2024 Gmail and Yahoo updates, I can guarantee you that most of your emails, almost 80 to 90% of your emails are going to land into spam. And you might be scratching your head, what is happening? Even though your email is authenticated, email is verified, but still your emails are going into spam. Now the reason is your email is not warmed up. So there are two ways of warming up your emails. So the number one is manually warming up your email domains, email addresses. So how to do the manual warming up? Now, if you have created the custom email address and you have created seeded email accounts, seeded Gmail accounts, like 7 to 10 Gmail accounts, then what you can do is that you can send emails from your custom email address to these seeded Gmail accounts. And from there, you can open your Gmail accounts and see where your emails have landed, whether they have landed in the primary, promotions, or spam folder. If they have landed in the promotions or spam folder, try to manually click and move them to your primary folder. And then from there, try to reply to this custom email address which you have created. So in this way, you can repeat the process every day to every email so that it keeps up warmed. So this is a manual process and it's a time taking one, and it's going to take a lot of energy out of you. So the second option is using a service or software. So you're going to warm up your email address using a software where it is done automatically. So the software that I would recommend here is Warmbase. And you can check out the affiliate link of Warmbase in my description box below. And once you sign up through that, let me show you how to actually warm up your custom email address. So when you click on the affiliate link of Warmbase in the description box below, you will reach this page. You can sign up with email, and once you sign up with email, there are 3 plans, email warm-up plans, the starter, professional and advanced. So I would request you to go for the starter plan, and you can warm up around 50 warm-up emails per day, and it costs you around very economically around $9 per month. And once your sending volume increases more than 1,000, and then you can go for your advanced plan. So after signing up with your email and adding your plans, starter plans, then you will reach this page where you can click on this add inbox, and you can add these email addresses. So it is already added over here. So once the email addresses is added over here, the status will be inactive. So what you have to do now is that you have to click on the edit option over here, and here you have to select the service that you're going to use, because whether you're going to use Gmail, G Suite, or Outlook, or Zoho Pro, Yahoo, Yandex, iCloud, or AOL, or others. So in this case, we are using others. And then when you click on the next button, there you go to connect your inbox, where you have to enter your SMTP settings for your email addresses. So where can you get all these details? So you have to go to your cPanel of your domain provider. So in this case, it is going to be Namecheap. And when you go into your Namecheap account, and when you go into your cPanel, there you can click on connect devices. So once you click on the connect devices under cPanel, then you will come to this page where you can see the mail client panel settings, and you can use these details. So you can enter your name, which is the sender name, and the email address which you're going to use, and the server and the port. You can all get all those details over here, and you can enter all those details over here. And once you enter your password, then you can click on test connection. So once you click on the test connection, you can see the number of emails that will be sent over a period of time. So you can choose either grow, which is going to be progressive. So it will start with a minimum number of emails, like 1 or 2 emails one day, and then it will gradually grow up to 50 emails per day, and the reply rate will be 30 per day. When you click on grow progressive, and then when you click on start button, now you can see that your inbox configuration has been updated, and the status will turn to active, and it will be enabled over here, and your email warming up has already started. Now again, after the February 2024 Gmail and Yahoo updates, many of the email marketers are facing deliverability issues, and the email open rates have gone down. Prior to this update, they have enjoyed an email open rates of around 10, 12, even 15% of open rates. And now currently it has reduced to around 8%, sometimes 10%, sometimes even 7%. And one of the important things that needs to be done here is to warm up your email addresses. So warming up your email addresses could really help you to get better deliverability. So again, if you want to check out the tool, please check the affiliate link in the description box below in order to get your Warmbase account. So if you're one of those guys who's really keen on email marketing and mastering email marketing and really facing challenges with the deliverability system right now, then I would seriously recommend you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below. And once you enroll into this program called Passive Income Profits from my mentor Ben from Singapore, then you will really have an easy hand-holding approach done with your services, where you can learn the basics and really lay the foundations for your online business. There are 3 different mentorship circles available. So one is the beginners club, and the second one is the star club, and the third one is the inner circle program. And the one that I would suggest you to go for is the inner circle program, where the success rate is more than 80%. One of the most important promises that the mentor gives in your inner circle program is that he will work with you one-on-one until you achieve a profit of $5,000 consecutively for 3 months. So that is the time commitment, that is the energy that is given by the mentor in order you to achieve your online success. Before enrolling into this inner circle program, please book a complimentary Zoom session with Ben in order to know your goals, aspirations, your time commitment, your budget, and your never give up attitude in order to succeed in this business. Because without time commitment and budget, you're not going to succeed in this online business, and neither the mentor will be ready to help you succeed online. So please always avail the complimentary Zoom session before enrolling into the inner circle, because if you don't have the time commitment and the capital, then there is no way the mentor can help you. With that being said, you can always check out the link in the description box below for Wormbase and all other affiliate tools that I use in my email marketing business. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So with that being said, let's meet in another training tutorial series. Until then, bye.